Hi everyone, today we're making a beef bulgogi stew that takes your taste buds on a delightful adventure. Imagine the melt in your mouth tenderness of bulgogi marinated beef mingling with a rich savory broth infused with the luscious sweetness of coconut cream. It's a symphony of familiar Korean flavors with an intriguing tropical twist. Let's see how it's done. First, let's take a look at the ingredients required to marinate the beef. You need half of one Korean pear, sliced, as well as one yellow onion. To a blender, add 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Asian sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 teaspoons of raw sugar, and the sliced pear and onion, along with a generous tablespoon of chopped garlic and half a tablespoon of minced ginger. Blend this all together till you get a smooth mixture. We're going to add this to 600 grams of skirt steak slices or any tender stir-fry beef slices will do. Add in the marinade and then toss well. Cover this and refrigerate for 4 hours or up to overnight. Remove from the refrigerator after it's marinated, and we're going to strain the marinated beef, collecting the liquid in a bowl below. Allow the beef to come back to room temperature. Separately, we're going to rinse out the marination bowl with 6 cups of water and add this to a stock pot or a soup pot. Also add in any liquid that has collected after straining the beef. Bring this stock to a boil and then continue on a simmer. Regularly remove the foam or scum layer on top of your stock as it simmers. We're also going to add 2 beef stock cubes for added flavor. So we're just going to move this pot to a separate burner and continue simmering for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to heat up a heavy-based cast iron wok or deep skillet, or you can even use a large earthenware if you have that. Get it nice and hot and add 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we're going to add in the marinated beef. Spread those beef slices evenly over the surface of that nice hot wok or skillet. After a minute or so, you'll start to see that the beef has started to brown a bit. At this point, we can gently toss the beef and then spread it out again, once again on that hot wok, and repeat the process. You'll see that some moisture is released from that marinated beef. We're going to continue this till the beef gets some nice brown color and all that moisture is absorbed. After about 6 minutes, we're going to toss the beef one last time. You can see that the moisture has been absorbed and the beef has developed a nice color. Now it's time to add in that stock that has been simmering separately, and we're going to simmer again along with the beef for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we can gather the remaining ingredients to be added to our beef bulgogi stew. We have 80 grams of Korean glass noodles that have been soaking in hot boiled water for 30 minutes to soften. We also have 2 cups of wongbok cabbage, 2 carrots, as well as 150 grams of enoki mushrooms, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of sliced red chili. So we've sliced everything up as you see here, and we've drained the noodles. For a better dining experience, we're going to cut the noodles into shorter pieces. So the beef and the stock have been simmering for a while, doing their own thing. At this point, we can add 200 ml of Kara coconut cream at room temperature. Stir briskly to incorporate on a reduced temperature to avoid any curdling. We're going to season this with about half a teaspoon of coarse-grained black pepper, as well as about 3/4 of a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. This is going to cut through that richness. Add in the thinly sliced carrot, cabbage, and red chilies, as well as the soaked noodles. You can add more of those vegetables, and especially the red chilies to taste. The red chilies do give a nice subtle kick and flavor to the stew. Now we're going to cover this and simmer for 5 minutes, after which those vegetables will be cooked. And lastly, we're going to add in the enoki mushrooms that have been prepped, as well as a 1/4 cup of Korean chrysanthemum greens. If you can't find this, you can substitute it with fresh coriander leaves, although this is unusual in Korean cooking. it makes a suitable substitute for the tropical twist. Cover one last time and simmer for another 3 minutes till the enoki mushrooms are cooked. And your delicious beef bulgogi stew is ready to be served, but it must rest for at least 10 minutes. And while serving, don't forget to add a nice dash of roasted sesame oil over the top. Serve some kimchi on the side, and that's wonderful. It's also great with some steamed white rice. I hope you enjoyed this video recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.